قال الله تبارك وتعالى في القرآن المجيد والفرقان الحميد لقد كان لكم في رسول الله أسوة حسنة. Honorable juries, respected teachers, all the participants and committees, it is great honor for me to join this English speech contest. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most bounteous or gracious. All the praises be to Allah, the creator of everything, master of day after, and the creator of everything in this universe. Peace and salutation to our Holy Prophet ﷺ, who brought us from darkness into the brightness and guided us onto the right way of life. Respected audience, as you know, we all are Muslims and the Holy Prophet ﷺ is the last prophet of Allah and also our best well-wisher. So being a Muslim, it is necessary for us to obey their orders and instructions in every way and every field of life. At this good opportunity, I would like to give a speech on the noble life story of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He was born in Mecca in 571. The name of his father was Abdullah. Before the Holy Prophet ﷺ come into the world, his father died. He born as an orphan child. The name of his mother was Amina. When he became 6 years old, his mother died. After the death of his mother, he was brought him up by his grandfather Abdul Muttalib, and later on, after the death of Abdul Muttalib, he was brought him up by his uncle Abu Talib. From the childhood, the Holy Prophet ﷺ was very serious-minded and very often used to think about everything which he saw around him. In the age of 13 years, he joined his uncle in his business. During his trade journey, he curiously watched the various customs of different Arab societies. In the age of 25 years, he employed a rich widow Khadija in her business. For looking her after business, she is so impressed by the noble character of Holy Prophet ﷺ that she subsequently married with the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And after marriage, she sacrificed both her life and property in the way of Islam. The Holy Prophet ﷺ remained with her till she died. After her death, the Holy Prophet ﷺ married with other women who were also the widows, except the fourth one called Aisha, who was the daughter of his friend and disciple Abu Bakr Siddiq. From Khadija, she had 2 sons and 4 daughters, but only the 4th daughter, Aisha, Fatima, served him. From otherwise, there had no child. The Holy Prophet ﷺ very seriously think about the evils and very often used to finding the way to remove them from the society. Therefore, he used to go lonely to the cave of mountain called Hira. There he think about the concept of God, good religion, and the reform of the society. It is the beloved that when the Holy Prophet ﷺ was meditating in the cave of Hira, he heard there a strange voice. The voice was of angel Jibreel alayhi salam, who was sent to him by the Prophet, who whispered in his ear to read, "In the name of Allah, the creator of everything, made a man from the clot of blood." After that, the Holy Prophet ﷺ became a prophet. It was the beginning of Wahi on Holy Prophet ﷺ. Muslims and even non-Muslims who were the enemies of Holy Prophet ﷺ's life called him Sadiq and Amin due to his honesty. When the non-Muslims forced the Holy Prophet ﷺ to stop the preach of Islam, the Holy Prophet ﷺ replied them, "If you put sun at my right hand and moon at my left hand, I will never stop the preach of Islam. It was his firm belief and determination at Allah, so he never stopped the preach of Islam. By seeing the confidence of his nephew, his uncle replied him, "Don't worry, my nephew, I am with you." So the Holy Prophet ﷺ never stopped the preach of Islam. Michael Hart says about the character of Holy Prophet ﷺ, he is the only man in the human history supremely successful both in a human and secular level. That was my all speech. I hope it will be useful for us.